Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to swap faces with Reface app. If you're trying to do face swaps for free, Reface is the app for you. This app will allow you to place your face on celebrity videos or scenes from movies. While it is free, they do add a watermark on the videos and preview ads in the app. Once you download and open it, it'll ask you to take a selfie. Once done, you may be given some subscription options for ads-free version. We'll just tap the X button in the corner. Now, simply scroll and find the clip you'd want to place your face on. Click it and wait for it to actually swap. If you're happy with the results, you can tap Save to Photos. You may be given an option to select GIF or a video file to download. It's really that simple, and a lot of these swaps do look pretty good. Be careful though, it can be very addictive. What clip did you use to try the first face swap? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.